姜饼人跑酷中，故事猫的秘密笔记簿。
Gingerbread Man Packer, Story Cat's Secret Notebook. Once upon a time, an old woman was baking a delicious gingerbread man.
很久很久以前，一位老奶奶正在烤一个香喷喷的姜饼人。
Once upon a time, an old woman was baking a delicious gingerbread man. She used raisins for eyes and sugar frosting for a bright smile.
她用葡萄干做眼睛，用糖霜画出灿烂的微笑。
She used raisins for eyes and sugar frosting for a bright smile. Suddenly, the gingerbread man jumped out of the oven and cried, "Don't eat me."
突然，姜饼人从烤箱里跳了出来，大喊：“别吃我！”
Suddenly, the gingerbread man jumped out of the oven and cried, "Don't eat me." He ran out the door, with the old woman and man chasing after him.
他飞快地跑出大门，老奶奶和老爷爷在后面拼命追。
He ran out the door, with the old woman and man chasing after him. "Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me," he laughed.
跑吧，跑吧，尽管跑，你们抓不到我。姜饼人得意地笑着。
Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me, he laughed. A cow by the road saw them and joined the crazy pursuit.
路边的一头牛看见了，也加入了这场疯狂的追逐。
A cow by the road saw them and joined the crazy pursuit. Along the way, a hungry dog and a piglet started running after the delicious cookie.
沿途中，一只饥饿的狗和一只小猪也开始追赶这块美味的饼干。
Along the way, a hungry dog and a piglet started running after the delicious cookie. Suddenly, a round dumpling sheep rolled out from the bushes, making gyoza sounds.
突然，一只圆滚滚的水饺羊从草丛中滚了出来，发出饺子的声音。
Suddenly, a round dumpling sheep rolled out from the bushes, making gyoza sounds. The dumpling sheep didn't chase him. It just bounced happily on the grass like a soft pillow.
水饺羊并没有追它，只是像个软绵绵的枕头一样在草地上开心地弹跳。
The dumpling sheep didn't chase him. It just bounced happily on the grass like a soft pillow. The gingerbread man ignored the strange sheep and kept running faster and faster.
姜饼人没理会这只奇怪的羊，继续跑得越来越快。
The gingerbread man ignored the strange sheep and kept running faster and faster. A pony grazing in the meadow saw the crowd and decided to join the pursuit.
一匹在草地上吃草的小马看到了人群，也决定加入追赶的行列。
A pony grazing in the meadow saw the crowd and decided to join the pursuit. He reached a wide river and realized he couldn't swim across.
他来到一条宽阔的大河边，意识到自己没办法游过去。
He reached a wide river and realized he couldn't swim across. High up in a tree, Story Cat was watching everything and taking notes with a pen.
在高高的树上，故事猫正观察着这一切，并拿着笔做记录。
High up in a tree, Story Cat was watching everything and taking notes with a pen. Story Cat whispered to himself, "This little cookie is heading for a big mistake."
故事猫自言自语地小声说：“这块小饼干正朝着一个大错误走去。”
Story Cat whispered to himself, "This little cookie is heading for a big mistake." A cunning fox appeared and said, "Don't worry, I can carry you across on my back."
一只狡猾的狐狸出现并说道：“别担心，我可以背你过河。”
A cunning fox appeared and said, "Don't worry, I can carry you across on my back." The gingerbread man climbed onto the fox's tail as they entered the water.
姜饼人爬上了狐狸的尾巴，接着他们进入了水中。
The gingerbread man climbed onto the fox's tail as they entered the water. "The water is getting deeper," the fox said. "Please move to my back."
水越来越深了，狐狸说：“请移到我的背上。”
The water is getting deeper, the fox said. "Please move to my back." Story Cat narrowed his eyes, knowing the fox's trick was working perfectly.
故事猫眯起眼睛，知道狐狸的计谋正完美地进行着。
Story Cat narrowed his eyes, knowing the fox's trick was working perfectly. The gingerbread man followed the fox's advice to keep his ginger body dry.
为了保持姜饼身体干燥，姜饼人听从了狐狸的建议。
The gingerbread man followed the fox's advice to keep his ginger body dry. Soon, the fox suggested, Please stand on my nose so you don't get wet at all.
很快，狐狸提议，请站在我的鼻尖上，这样你一点都不会淋湿。
Soon, the fox suggested, Please stand on my nose so you don't get wet at all. The gingerbread man climbed up to the very tip of the fox's long nose.
姜饼人爬到了狐狸长鼻子最尖端的地方。
The gingerbread man climbed up to the very tip of the fox's long nose. Just as they reached the shore, the fox tossed his head high into the air.
就在快到岸边时，狐狸猛地将头往空中一甩。
Just as they reached the shore, the fox tossed his head high into the air. Snap went the fox's jaws, and the gingerbread man was gone in one bite.
咔嚓，狐狸张开大嘴，一口就把姜饼人吃掉了。
Snap went the fox's jaws, and the gingerbread man was gone in one bite. The dumpling sheep, still in the meadow, let out a confused Gyoza bleat.
还在草地上的水饺羊发出了一声困惑的饺子叫声。
The dumpling sheep, still in the meadow, let out a confused Gyoza bleat. Story Cat finished writing the story and closed his notebook with a sigh.
故事猫写完了故事，叹了口气并合上了笔记本。
Story Cat finished writing the story and closed his notebook with a sigh.
In a kitchen, bright and sunny, an old woman thought she'd bake something funny. With raisin eyes and an apple smile, he sat in the oven for a little while. But snap went the door and zoom went he, shouting, you can't catch a cookie like me. Run, run as fast as you can, you can't catch the gingerbread man. Across the meadow and down